How to earn 50 to 1 lakh rupees as a freelancer. Now we are going to use this income calculator where we will be considering three factors. Number one, your service charges. It means that service you offer and on average monthly charges for each client. And number two, your time availability in a day. Like if you are investing 3 hours or 6 hours, and then it will help you understand how many clients you can handle in a month. Number three will be your CTR, that is your call through rate, which means how many new clients you are pitching in a month and how many of them are getting converted. To make it simple for you, let's say example of freelancer Radhika. She is a performance marketer and on her average monthly charges for each client is 25,000. Second, her time availability is 6 hours where she can handle 3 clients. It means 25 into 3 equals to 75,000 rupees she can earn in a month. Now if she wants to increase her budget, or maybe she's not having 3 clients, she is just having 1 client, and now if she has to reach this income goal 50 to 1 lakh rupees, then now she has to sit and work on her CTR, which is call through rate. It means how many clients she has to pitch based on her conversion rate. It means if she pitches 20 clients, then 3 will get converted. She has to make this effort to onboard new client to hit that income goal. I hope this is clear for you, and if you want me to help you decide your income calculator, comment down your service charges and your service.